point is Muslim League 1906. Earlier we discussed that Britishers, they have accepted divide and rule policy, and because of this divide and rule policy a conflict started between Hindus and Muslim. So by adopting the divide and rule policy, the English wanted to create a conflict between Hindus and Muslim. Then the Viceroy Lord Minto and Indian Wazir Morley together planned to crush the Indian nationalism. When the national fight becomes stronger, the English began to favor the upper class Muslim. The English become successful in convincing a group of Muslims that they must from a Muslim organization to demand for separate voting right and separate voting centers. So, under this policy, divide and rule, that Hindu and Muslim, they started fighting with one another. Now the Muslim, they are demanding for their separate voting right and separate voting center. As a result, Muslim League was formed. Muslim League was formed in 1906. Religious head of Muslim Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka, Salimullah Khan, Viceroy Minto and his personal minister Dunlop Smith has played an important role in the establishment of this organization. In order to stop the Muslim from attending the annual conference of Congress, the annual conference of Muslim League was arranged on the same day as that of the Congress. Thus, the demand for separate representation is not the brainchild of the Muslim, but that of the English policy. Here, underline this, that the brainchild of the demand for separate representation is not the brainchild of the Muslim, but it was the English policy. And Morley Minto, they played an important role in this division. Lord Minto was the Viceroy and Morley was the Indian Wazir. Minto started the policy of taking Muslim as associates. That's why many writers consider Minto as the father of Muslim communalism. Dear students, underline this, that Minto was considered as the father of the Muslim communalism. A historian also goes to the extent of saying that the real creator of Pakistan was not Muhammad Ali Jinnah or Rahimuttala, but Lord Minto. Yes, so the real creator of Pakistan was not Muhammad Ali Jinnah, but Lord Minto. Since then, only the conflict between Hindus and Muslims increased and resulted in the division of India. So from that incident, that Muslim League was established in 1906 and the conflict between Hindus and Muslims were increasing and resulted in division of India. Here you can see the picture of the Morley Minto and the Muslim League. Now next topic we have a birth and development of extreme revolutionary movement. The revolutionary activities in India was started by Vasudev Balwant Phadke. The picture is given in the textbook also. Revolutionary like Damodar Chapekar and Balkrishna Chapekar brothers, Veer Savarkar, Badrinath Ghosh, Khudiram Bose, Praful Chaki, Ramprasad Bismil, Asafullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev, Batukeshwar Dutt, Roshan Singh, etc. carried on the torch of nationalism. Youth trade in making and using weapons were a constant threat for the English government. So, the revolutionary activity started in India, and it was started by Vasudev Balwant Phadke, and many revolutionaries, they took part in it. Revolutionaries, the photographs are also given, like, the list is given in the book. Then fierce nationalism has been seen among these revolutionaries. Fierce revolutionaries movement began in India and spread in the other country as well. The circumstances in its background were the cancellation of the partition of Bengal, the partition of two groups like Jahal and Mawal at the Congress conference in Surat, and the terrific opposition to practice of Congress of making only resolutions and requests. So the fierce revolutionary movements began in India, spread in other countries also. The revolutionaries, they divided into two groups. Jahal means radical, extremely, we can say that believed in nationalism, and Mawal, who are moderate in their attitude. Then Lal Bal Pal trio adopted the radical attitude, which brought a new life in young Indian activists. The lethargic policies of the Indian National Congress got a solid new turn. So the trio, Lal Bal Pal, here you can see Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. They are known as a Lal Bal Pal trio, adopted a radical attitude and brought new life in young Indian activists. So most of the youngsters, they indulge themselves in such type of revolutionary activities. Here you can see the picture of Vasudev Balwant Phadke, Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil, Asafullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev, Roshan Singh, etc. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared informally that freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. So, dear students, underline that sentence. Try to underline whatever you find important. So, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak declare it firmly that freedom is my birthright and I will achieve anyhow. This become the maxim for the revolutionary freedom fighter. So this become the maxim. In Gujarati, it is said, સ્વતંત્રતા એ મારો જન્મસિદ્ધ અધિકાર છે. At the time, a group of Indian youth undertook activities to seek freedom from foreign rule. These extreme revolutionaries were more than happy to sacrifice their lives for the motherland. They could give up their lives or to take lives in order to attain freedom. Yes. So here you can see that the Indian youth undertook activities to seek freedom from foreign rule. And these extreme revolutionaries were more than happy to sacrifice their life. They are ready to sacrifice their life for the motherland, and they give up their lives or take lives in order to attain freedom. So they are happy to sacrifice their life. On the other hand, they also take life of the other to attain freedom. Revolutionary activities spread in Maharashtra, Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Odisha, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madras province, Uttar Pradesh and central India. Among these activities were some like Mitra Mela Society, Abhinav Bharat Samaj, Anusilan Samiti, Anjumane Mohilana Watan, Indian Patriot Association, etc. and then give impetus to revolutionary activities. So many associations, many societies were formed, and these associations, they took this type of revolutionary activities like Mitra Mela Society, Abhinav Bharat Samaj, Anusilan Samiti, Anjumane Mohilana Watan, Indian Patriot Association, etc. In the first stage, newspaper and magazine like Yugantar, Navshakti and Vande Mataram, Kesari Maratha gave constant strain to the activities. So in the first stage of the revolution, newspaper and magazine played a very important role, that we can say that with the spread of newspaper and magazine, the revolutionary, they try to spread their feeling of nationalism among the people and try to make them aware about the present situation. So the magazine like Yugandhan, Navshakti, Vande Mataram, Kesari, Maratha gave constant strain to the activities. About 34 revolutionaries were prosecuted in the Alipur massacre. Several revolutionaries were arrested in Howrah massacres and Dhaka massacres. Attempt to kill Lord Hardinge by throwing a bomb, dropping bomb on Viceroy Minto on November 13, 1909 outside Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad can all be given an example of this. So now fierce nationalism has been developed among the youngster and they have started activities. Many examples are there like Howrah massacres, Dhaka massacres and dropping bombs on Viceroy Minto on November 13, 1909 outside Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad. So these are the example which show us about the activities which are undertaken by the revolutionaries. In the second stage, 1920 to 42, events like Kakori loot case, Lahore massacres and dropping of bomb on Central Parliament Delhi took place. You have already studied about the other revolutionaries engaged in all activities. So, in the second stage, we can see the events line Kakori loot case, Lahore massacres, dropping of bomb on Central Parliament Delhi took place, and many more revolutionaries and revolutionary activities we have discussed or you have studied in your previous class. Thank you.